up, guys? Mike here. Today I'm going to be doing a review on a company on this OTC stock market exchange. Just note that investing in OTC stocks can be high risk, but at the same time they can be very profitable. That is why it is very important that you always do your own due diligence before investing in any OTC stocks in general. Now, the name of the company that we are going to be reviewing today is named United Lithium Corp, and it is traded under the ticker ULTHF for the US exchange, and for the Canada exchange is traded under ulth.ca. Now, before I begin this video, I do want to let you guys know ahead of time, this is a paid sponsor video. I was paid to talk on behalf of this company. So I just want to let you guys know ahead of time, but I am going to be doing my best to be as unbiased as possible and only provide you information regarding this company, what they do and who they are, and pretty much anything you guys need to know about this company. I'm going to be doing my best to provide that information for you. Now, let's not waste any more time. Make sure you guys always smash that like button, hit subscribe, check out my Patreon page. We have a few members there and we are trading together. So if you want to be part of that, check out my Patreon page, link in the description box below. So with that said, guys, let's begin. Yeah. All right, guys, so let's quickly dive into United Lithium Corp. And right now, the EV sector is a very hot commodity right now, especially with under the president of Biden. He's trying to pretty much cut out gases, oils, and pretty much he's trying to ban fracking. So it is going to push a lot of things away from the oil industry into the EV sector. And right now, if you guys have been paying attention, lithium has been on a scarce, so there's a limited amount of lithium available. A lot of these companies are looking elsewhere, like in Canada or Sweden and so many other different locations, into mining and drilling for more lithium, since the demand of lithium has gone up substantially over the past few years. And right now there is a decline in how much lithium is available over the long run. So this company is investing in lithium, and they are drilling in 2 locations right now. One of them is in Sweden, the other one is in Canada. They have 2 projects going on. We're gonna go over that as well. You guys will have a access to this website. I will give you the links for everything so you guys could check it all out. There's some charts that we are going to go over at the end of the video, where you guys could see where this company is headed. Right now they have a few locations, battery factories. One of them right now is of course in lithium. That's where their project is, and the other one is in Canada, like I mentioned. And they have some pretty good, actually, CEOs. Michael Dunn looks like he's got over 20 years of experience in just the mining industry, which is something you want to have. You don't want someone looking and mining for lithium in random locations. You want them to know where they are looking at. And it looks like he knows his job pretty well, so he is into this sector. And we have, of course, the CFO, who has over 10 years of experience in auditing and financial reports. So you also want someone who is not going to be doing any fraud for the company, especially with taxes and all the other financials that they're going to be spending. So you don't want to see any cover-up, so causing the stock to drop too because of that. So you want some good leaders in the company. Let's move on. If you go to the investors page for lithium, United Lithium, as we can see, this company is all about exploration for the demand of lithium. Their prospective locations are in Sweden and Canada. There's numerous surfaces that has shown that to be like very pro lithium areas. So they are pretty much mining these areas. They are drilling in these areas, and that is something that they want to do, is produce and find a lot of lithium for this high demand that we have right now. Looking more into the investors page, we can see there's a lot of different locations where all these other EV companies are trying to grow and produce more electric vehicles, like Toyota, Honda, a lot of these BMWs. They're going to be producing electric vehicles, and lithium is going to be on a very, very high demand in the next few years to come. And that's what makes this company a very good attraction, right? Hydrocarbons powered the world for over a century, right? Lithium ion battery has been used for a very, very long time. And this is what they're pretty much looking at. They're looking for as much lithium as possible in these mines, as much as they can find in these mountains. I will provide the link to this PDF file so you guys could check out. And they seem to be doing pretty well with the mining right now. They have several projects going on with mineralization. They also have some ground magnetic surveys to look around for more lithium in nearby areas. It looks like they already have one just in Canada and as well as Sweden, like I mentioned a couple times. And they are looking at the geology of the area to see where we would have more of these mines available for their to look at. So looking at their capitalization, as we can see, they have total of outstanding shares of over 42 million shares already. Some warrants and options are about 22 million shares on warrants, and of course they have diluted about 64 million shares. All right, so let's take a look at the charts here. It is trading under the ticker ULTHF for the New York Stock Exchange over-the-counter market, and for the Canadian, it is trading under the ticker symbol ULTH.ca. So today we're going to be looking at the ULTHF. And as we can see, it is on a uptrend. The past few months, it has been trading on an uptrend. And if we also look at the volume, it is increasing steadily over the last few months. As more people are noticing this company, the volume has been going up substantially. So we get a couple 100,000 from only about trading like 50, 60,000 shares a day to now actually a couple 100,000 shares. And over here, actually have a couple million shares being bought and back to a couple 100,000. So more people are noticing this company, so more shares will be traded over time. Here's a better look at the volume. Over here, only a couple tens of thousands of volume to now a couple 100,000, and then back to a couple million, and back to a couple 100,000. Okay, so let's do some technical analysis for you guys here. If we look at the MACD and TSI, we do see a buy signal coming on actually. Over here, we had a sell signal. MACD and TSI crossed over at the top, and the stock did have a sell signal coming on, and sell did happen. If we look over here, it gave us a buy signal, and we did see some uptrend going on. Histogram is about to shift to the other side, so that's good. As long as this shifts to the other side like this, we will have a nice bullish signal coming on. RSI is trading between oversold and undersold right here, so that's another signal we can take a look at. If it crosses above the 70 RSI, that usually tells you it's overbought, and if it crosses below 30 RSI, that tells you it is oversold. And this stock has been relatively trading around the 50 RSI, so that's pretty good. That is something you can definitely take a look at.
Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I post some buys and sells there, but most of that is going to be on my Patreon page, so make sure you check out the link in the description box below if you want to be part of that. Also, guys, leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks you'd like me to do a video on, or if you have a specific question on a specific stock, leave a comment below. Let me know, and I'd be happy to help you guys out. So with that said, guys, thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.